Hello. Before we talk about how to add and subtract fractions, there are two very basic but very important concepts we have to review. First one is this equivalent fractions. We need to know that for any fractions, if we multiply or divide both numerator and the denominator by the same number, the value of the fraction stays the same. We call them equivalent fractions. You can see from these pictures. All these pictures represent the same value. The equation here tells us that A over B equals to A times C over B times C. And P over Q equals to P divided by N over Q divided by N. We multiply or divide the same number to the top and the bottom. Like these examples. It shows 1/2 equals to 2/4 equals to 3/6 equal to 4/8. Take this 2 as an example, 1/2 and 3/6. All we do is multiply 1 by 3, multiply the bottom 2 by 3 also. So multiply the same number to top and bottom, we get the same value. And the same thing, look at the 4/8. 4/8 equals to 1/2. How did we do that? We just divide both top and bottom by 4. Like 4 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4. We get 1/2. Now, the top part of a fraction is called numerator, N-U-M-E-R-A-T-O-R. And the bottom part is called denominator. The denominator tells us how many equal portions or equal parts the whole thing is divided into. The numerator tells us how many parts you are taking from those divided parts. These are all equivalent fractions. You can see from this picture, it is like a same size pizza. The amount you eat is the same, but these pizzas are cut in different ways. First one is only cut into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. And you eat one of these 2 parts. So it is 1/2. Another way to say 1/2 in English is 1/2. We have to learn how to say these fractions in English. This last one, you can see here, this last one, it is cut into 8 equal parts, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you eat 4 slices of that 8. See, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say that's 4/8. 8, if we want to say it in English, the other way to say is 4/8. EIGHTHS. This is how we say 4/8. But the actual amount of pizza you eat. Second important concept is how to change from the mixed number to improper fractions. And improper fractions means a fraction that has a numerator that is bigger than the denominator, like this one. The top is the numerator, which is 3. The bottom is the denominator, which is 2. 3 is bigger than 2. When the numerator equals to the denominator, the value of that fraction is 1. If these two are equal, like the example, 2/2, 5/5, 20/20. This all equal to 1. Since an improper fraction has the numerator that is greater than denominator, so the value of an improper fraction is greater than 1. Like this 3/2, the value is greater than 1. I am going over these examples quickly. You can review this in detail later. For right now, you just have to know the concept. Like this first one, 1.5. The picture is here. You can see 1.5 means 1 plus 1/2. We write it as 1.5. That is 1 whole pizza plus half of the pizza. But now we can cut the first pizza into 2 equal parts. Like this picture, we cut right in the middle into 2 equal parts. Each part is 1/2 of the pizza. So here's 1/2, here is another 1/2. And we know this half slice itself is also 1/2. So now we just grab all these 3 slices together, we still get the same total. So 1.5 together equals to 3/2. We will leave all the other examples here for you to study by yourself. For this whole page, you just have to remember 5 vocabulary words and their meanings. Let me get the whole picture here. I'm going to reduce the size a little bit so we get to see the whole picture. Yes, now we see the whole picture. The 5 vocabulary words you have to remember, they are first, numerator, N-U-M-E-R-A, numerator. Okay? N-U-M-E-R-A-T-O-R. That's the top one. The second one is the denominator. D-E-N-O-M-I-N-A-T-O-R. Denominator. That's the bottom one. And this equivalent fractions and mixed numbers and improper fractions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 words you have to remember. These are the 2 very important background we need to know before we can talk about adding and subtraction fractions. They are, again, equivalent fractions and how to change mixed number into proper fractions. Please make sure you can master these 2 concepts. Now, we will be ready for learning how to add and subtract fractions next time. Thank you.